Hi, it's Dr. Lisa. Are you undecided about getting a vaccine for COVID-19? You need a little encouragement? Let's talk to people and find out why they got vaccinated. So, why are you getting the vaccine today?
Well, I need it. I'm old. I'm kind of old, and day was birthday and a free shot, so I came out to get it.
So I'm getting vaccinated because, first of all, I'm in the workforce. I'm a special police officer.
Oh, well, thank you.
So, and I love to travel. So I just want to be safe. I have a 4-year-old. She's in school too as well. So I just want to be safe and protect both of us.
I got vaccinated because I have underlying health conditions. I have asthma. And also my family also have underlying health conditions such as cancer and asthma and things like that.
I don't want to get sick and I don't want to die from COVID.
Tell us why you got vaccinated.
Well, I'm a clinical psychologist here in Ward 8, and I want to see my clients again. I want to be able to be face-to-face with them. This pandemic has been hard. We're all sick of Zoom, and I want to be able to go into the office and do the work that we've been doing and continue that. And I want to also just, I want to be able to say that I did this before I encourage them to do it. I have to do it myself. So
Lead by example.
absolutely.
Right?
The reality is that COVID is killing folks. And no matter how concerned people are about the vaccine, not only could you get COVID and get hurt from it, but you could pass it on to someone without knowing and get them hurt. My dad recently had COVID, and however he got it, maybe that person could have been vaccinated.
And a lot of people don't want to get the vaccine or they're worried about the vaccine. What would you say to them?
I would tell them that's okay. That's normal to be worried and concerned, but to get educated as to what the purpose of the vaccine would do, how it would best serve them, to protect them and their family members.
Biggest impact or quote that I took out is actually from you. It's like, you're either damn it you do or damn it you don't. So, and for me it was, the fear of the unknown. And so, I was
getting sick in case you didn't get vaccinated.
Yeah.
I would say that this is not the vaccinations of the past. From the research I've done, that this is different. We're not actually being injected with COVID. I would say that even when we have the hesitations about what's happened to us, especially our people, when it comes to vaccinations before and the syphilis experiments, I would say that things are changing. And that although there are things that we still have to worry about in terms of race and disparities in the country, we have enough of us that have been represented in the research on this and what has happened with the vaccine that I trust the process a lot more than what I would have trusted 20, 30 years ago.
All of the vaccines out in the market have been through several trials, thousands, tens of thousands of people have taken the vaccine, had positive results, no serious side effects, and lots of people have been dying from COVID. So when you kind of weigh both of those together, it seems like a no-brainer to get the vaccine.
For younger people who know COVID is real but don't think it will impact them very much, I encourage them to think about their parents and grandparents. I would say we're all a little bit worried about the vaccine, but we are all in this together. And getting the vaccine is a whole lot better than any of us perishing from the virus. So we have to do this to protect ourselves. The other thing people shouldn't underestimate is mutations. Anytime someone gets the virus, it could mutate into something worse. So we just have such an obligation to protect each other.
Getting vaccinated against COVID-19 is a great idea for many reasons. To protect your friends or loved ones, to avoid getting sick or hospitalized, or just to get us back to normal. And remember, all 3 vaccines available in the U.S. right now prevent hospitalizations and death. I hope you decide to protect yourself, your loved ones, and your community by getting vaccinated. I'm Dr. Lisa, and I'll see you on the street.